Hello boss, you arrived 2 units of Sany truck-mounted concrete pump. This one is a Dongfeng chassis Sany truck-mounted concrete pump made in 2023. Almost original paint. Only for 50,000 cubic meter. Original paint. All functions are well and in good condition. This one is the Sany chassis, made in 2021. Original paint. The spare tire is still here. Only for 50,000 cubic meters. Also in good condition. If you like it, contact me freely. There are still a large number of stocks at my bag.